in the U.S. just in the last 10 months. The final analysis of Pfizer's new coronavirus vaccine confirms that it is 95% effective, with no safety concerns here, as independent groups monitor the phase 3 clinical trials say that the vaccine even proved effective in higher risk older adults. The only side effect reported was fatigue. The FDA is also authorizing the first at-home rapid COVID-19 test. The Lucira COVID-19 all-in-one test kit is available by prescription for self-diagnosis. Results are displayed on the test unit by a color change indicator. This also comes as more and more people are waiting to get tested before the holidays arrive here on the Central Coast. Some COVID-19 testing sites report seeing an uptick in people coming in to get cleared of the virus, but others say there's been as much as a 40% decline at their locations. Our KION's Josh Cristianto live for us tonight in Salinas with why this might be happening. Josh.
That's right, Veronica. There are at least 17 COVID-19 testing sites in the city of Salinas. It has the largest population in Monterey County. Now, Salinas also has the highest number of cases in the county, but places like Clínica de Salud say not many people want to get tested. Lines were modest in North and East Salinas, where 2 COVID-19 testing sites have steadily taken in customers in the last few months. Here at Clínica de Salud, testing started back in June.
It was well received. A lot of people were coming in to get tested. We were being invited by the agricultural community to go out to some of the fields and the housing sites to test people.
But it's not the way things used to be. The CEO says during the past month, all of their clinics, 4 in Salinas, have seen a 40% drop in people wanting to get tested. The clinics were doing about 200 tests a day initially. This past week, it was about 100 a day. Slightly over 40% of the people, when asked why they chose not to get tested, replied they were worried about losing their jobs if they tested positive.
They're concerned that they're going to lose income, either by losing the job or by having to be sick or being sick and having to stay home.
This stands in stark contrast to South Salinas, where the Salinas Valley Memorial Healthcare System says they've seen more and more people interested in being tested. They've also seen more positive cases and an uptick in hospitalizations too. The Monterey County Health Department says their sites haven't been reporting any long lines at this point. State-run sites aren't booked either. For Clínica de Salud, a more centralized response could be the solution.
I hope with this new administration that's coming in, the focus is going to be on developing a federal response that's more standardized, more centralized, and more impactful throughout the nation to make sure that there is, in fact, more testing.
And most COVID-19 tests are actually covered by insurance and in many instances are free of charge. Now, Dr. Cuevas says that it is important to get tested to understand the spread and prevalence of the disease in the community so that a proper response can be put out. Reporting live in Salinas, Josh Cristianto, KIO News Channel 546.